Welcome to SEMS Global USA Virtual Exhibition Platform. The following tutorial will help you experience this online expo to the fullest. First, register an account by filling up the details. Click on Register and you will be redirected to the website. Now, simply log in with your credentials that you have created during the registration to enter the expo. Upon successful login, you will directly be taken to the 3D virtual platform. Once inside the venue, click on this chat icon to view all the online exhibitors and make live chat, audio and video calls directly to the online exhibitor from here. Click on My Appointments to view all your pre-scheduled meetings. Later on this video, you will be shown how to set a meeting. Click Hall List to view the list of available halls and visit them. You can also enter the exhibition hall from here. To travel around the venue, click on the red icons or these navigation buttons. To look around, press and hold the right mouse button and move the mouse. You can use the search bar to look for any company by their company name or by product category. Once inside the exhibition hall, choose any booth from the exhibitor list or by simply clicking on the booth marker. After choosing the booth, use the options on the left to view videos, documents, and other important information of the exhibitor. You can further make live chat, audio and video call from here as well. To schedule a meeting, click on My Appointments and select an available time slot. To view your scheduled meetings, later on, click on My Appointments button. Once you have added any document to My Briefcase, you can access them again from the My Briefcase option. When you click on the Resource Center button from the footer menu, it will navigate you to the Help Desk. The Help Desk is combined with Agenda, Technical Help, Live Chat, and Event Catalog. These four menus will help with important documents about the platform: Live Technical Support from Support Center, Event Catalog with Exhibitor List, and tutorial video. If you wish to go back to the starting point, click on the Home button. Hope you have a wonderful experience. We thank you for being a part of something new and something different.